Welcome to our exploration of one of nature's most stunning creatures, the peacock. Known for their striking colors and grandiose tail feathers, peacocks have been symbols of beauty and immortality across various cultures.
The term peacock is actually gender-specific, referring only to the male bird. Females are called peahens, and together, they're known as peafowl.
There are 3 species of peafowl: the Indian peafowl, the green peafowl, and the Congo peafowl. Each boasts its own unique beauty.
The iridescent tail feathers of a peacock, also known as tron, can reach up to 60% of its total body length.
A peacock's train is not actually its tail. The real tail feathers are shorter and support the tron during the courtship displays.
The stunning colors of a peacock's train come not from pigment but from microscopic structures that refract light, creating vibrant blues, greens, and purples.
A peacock's train can consist of over 200 feathers, and each feather has an eye-like design that is believed to ward off predators by mimicking multiple sets of eyes.
Peafowl are native to South Asia and Southeast Asia but have been introduced in many other parts of the world, including North America and Europe.
The Indian peafowl is the national bird of India and is a symbol of grace, beauty, and pride in Indian culture.
Peafowl are omnivores, feasting on a diet that includes insects, plants, and small creatures.
The call of a peacock can be heard up to a mile away, serving as a means of communication between the birds.
Peacocks spread their beautiful trains as part of a courtship ritual to attract peahens, displaying them in a fan-like shape to showcase their vibrant colors and patterns.
Congo peafowl, the least known species, was discovered by the Western world in 1936 by American ornithologist James Chapin in the Congo rainforest.
Green peafowls are considered endangered due to habitat loss, hunting, and a decrease in their population.
Peafowl can live up to 20 years in the wild and even longer in captivity.
Ancient Greeks believed that the flesh of peafowl did not decay after death, and thus peacocks became a symbol of immortality.
The eye-like spots on a peacock's feathers, known as ocelli, can vary in color and are key in attracting a mate.
In Christianity, the peacock is often associated with resurrection and eternal life.
Peacocks have been kept as pets and ornamental birds for thousands of years, even in the royal courts of Europe and Asia.
The feathers of a peacock are renewed annually, with the molting season typically occurring after the breeding season.
Legend has it that Hera, the Greek goddess, created the peacock from Argus, whose 100 eyes were placed on the peacock's tail.
Peafowl require large areas of land to thrive, as they are ground feeders and need space for their elaborate mating displays.
Despite their large and cumbersome-looking train, peacocks are capable of flight. They usually roost in tall trees. The unique structure of peacock feathers has inspired artists and designers for centuries, influencing fashion, art, and architecture.
Due to their distinctive calls and appearance, peacocks have been featured in numerous folklore, mythology, and literature around the world.
In Buddhism, the peacock represents purity and is believed to have the ability to consume poisonous plants without harm.
The collective noun for a group of peafowl is a party or ostentation, which certainly fits their grand display.
Interestingly, the color and number of eyes on a peacock's train can influence a peahen's choice in mate.
Peacocks typically lay between 4 to 8 eggs, and the peahen is solely responsible for incubation and rearing the chicks.
Ancient royals often adorned their gardens and palaces with peafowls, considering them a symbol of luxury and beauty.
Peacocks can eat poisonous snakes, providing them a peculiar place in the food chain.
The peacock symbolizes renewal, as it sheds its feathers annually, only to grow them back more beautiful than before.
In medieval times, peacock meat was considered a delicacy for the nobility during grand feasts.
Throughout history, peacock feathers have been used as decorations, in fashion, and even in literature as a metaphor for a variety of themes. The train-rattling display, in which a peacock vibrates its feathers, creates a rustling sound that can intrigue and attract peahens.
Peafowl are capable of false mounts, where a peacock will mount a peahen without mating, possibly to test her receptiveness.
Wild peafowls often fly across rivers and small bodies of water, showing an impressive span of flight for such large birds.
Peacock's feet have 3 toes facing forward and 1 backward, allowing them to securely grasp branches while roosting.
Cultural depictions of peacocks have been discovered in early Christian tomb art, ancient Greek mosaics, and the frescoes of Pompeii.
Thank you for joining us on this colorful journey through the world of peacocks. These magnificent birds continue to fascinate and inspire with their unique beauty and intriguing behaviors.